Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a zip file on your laptop. First, locate the files or folders you wish to compress. You can select multiple items by holding down the Control key and clicking each one. Once everything is selected, right-click on any of the highlighted items. This action will open a context menu with several options for you to choose from. Look for the Send to option. After selecting Send to, a submenu will appear. From this list, click on Compressed Zipped folder. Your computer will then automatically create a new zip file containing all your selected items. This new file will appear in the exact same location as your original files and will be easily identifiable by its zip extension. It's a quick and efficient way to bundle your data. Once the zip file is created, it will be highlighted, allowing you to immediately rename it. Choose a descriptive name that clearly indicates its contents. Now, your compressed file is ready to be moved, copied, or attached to an email. Zipping files is an excellent way to save storage space on your device and makes sharing multiple documents or large files much simpler and faster. Now that your files are compressed, you might also need to extract them. To do this, simply right-click on the zip file and select Extract All. You'll then be prompted to choose a destination folder where the unzipped contents will be placed. It's a straightforward process to get your original files back. And speaking of making things better, life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your ride fresh. Check the description below for a link to this and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.